Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu-alaikum. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I am going to discuss with you strategic management. What is strategic management, significance and process of strategic management. So let's get started. First is introduction. Strategic management is a process of setting direction for a future course of action. From environmental scanning to strategy formulation and implementation, all are called strategic management process. A successful strategy can be the key to success, while its failure can lead a company towards bankruptcy. The strategic management process is the comprehensive policy of the company that leads the way for employees and management. What is significance of strategic management? The first point is identifying opportunities. At the stage of environmental scanning, new opportunities and ideas can be explored. Also, this process can help discover new ways to implement strategies. Second point is prepare for the future. Along with opportunities, this process highlights internal weaknesses and external threats critical to companies' survival. Third significance of strategic management is it strengthens organizational structure. This process provides a common goal and objective for all its employees to work together. Each individual is dependent upon others to progress towards a common goal. Hence, only a strong organizational structure can endure in a difficult time. Fourth significance is sustained competitive advantage. The key to success of every organization is its competitive advantage. The strategic management process helps in ensuring that this competitive advantage is sustained for a long period of time. I have already discussed with you the introduction and significance of strategic management. Now is the time to discuss strategic management process, and the first step is setting of goals and objectives. The first and the key step in strategy making is to define what the company wants to achieve in the near future. In other words, it is a reason for the company's existence. This step further clarifies the process in which this goal will accomplish and the persons who will be responsible to achieve these tasks. In setting of goals and objectives, there are two basic things: vision statement and mission statement. First, we will discuss what is vision statement. Vision statement is basically where the company wants to be in the near future. That is called the vision statement of the company. Next is mission statement. The purpose for the company's existence. Why the company exists is the basic mission of that organization or the company. To set clear objectives, vision and mission statement must be clearly defined and illustrated. Second step in strategic management process is environmental scanning. The next step in strategic management is environmental scanning. This scanning is done in both internal and external environment. Internal scanning includes factors such as employees, resources, organizational structure and operational potential, while the external environment involves scanning for suppliers, buyers, competitors and distributors. Third step in environmental scanning, we have strengths, weaknesses, opportunities and threats. What are strengths? These are the advantages available within the organization. For example, a company might have an extraordinary pool of human resources. Second is weaknesses, areas where the company has internal loopholes. For example, a company may have good human resources, but a weak organizational structure becomes a hurdle in utilizing the resource. Sorry, the material written about opportunity is not correct here. I will share with you the correct data. Opportunity is basically the growth space available in the external environment. Factors like weak competition, additional resources, and operational capacity can contribute it. Next one is threats, loopholes that can be exploited by other companies in the external environment. Third step in the strategic management process is strategy formulation. This phase is about choosing the best course of action to achieve objectives. In this phase, a comprehensive analysis is done of key factors. The following steps are involved in strategy formulation. First step in strategy formulation is evaluating organizational environment. The next step is to evaluate the general environment in which the company is to operate. The country's political, economic, and legal factors have an impact on the company's operations. Second step in strategy formulation is setting quantitative targets. At this step, financial targets are set for future. The purpose is to evaluate the contribution of each department towards objectives. Third step in strategy formulation is performance analysis. This is about finding a gap between actual and desired performance targets. Fourth step of strategic management process is strategy implementation. At this stage, the strategy is translated into organizational actions. It is the manner in which an organization develops, utilizes, and collaborates organizational structure, control system, and culture. Strategy implementation includes disbursement of resources to ensure implementation of strategy, linking reward structure with results, finding room for constant improvement. Fifth step is strategy evaluation. This is the last step in the strategic management process. In this step, actual and desired outcomes are compared. Control measures are also part of this step. These measures can rectify errors in the process and can also work as a damage reduction tool. It has the following steps. First one is fixing benchmark performance. It means setting the minimum target objectives to be achieved. Next is measuring performance, comparing actual performance with the benchmark performance. Third step in strategy evaluation is taking corrective measures. Once a discrepancy is identified in performance, then corrective actions are required to be taken. Here comes the conclusion. The strategic management process is the outline of whole business activity. From setting goals and objectives to strategy evaluation, every step is crucial in making the process successful. The process helps in strengthening the organizational structure by making optimum use of opportunities available in the business environment. It further assists in ensuring that the company has a sustained competitive advantage to reap benefits. The strategic management process is the core of operations in business.